Hello student, in our previous lecture we have learned lesson number 1.7 Paramvir Chakra. Now we'll do the exercise. So I want you to write all these meanings, question answer in your notebook and workbook also. Write the meaning of the following words and state their kind. Meanings: word, state its kind. Very famous and admired. Legendary. Its kind is adjective. Outstanding. Conspicuous. Adjective. Causing death. Fatal. Adjective. Symbol. It is a noun. Motivating. Inspiring. Verb. Strong. Resolve. Determination. Noun. After a person's death, posthumously. Adjective. Impossible to defeat. Invincible. Adjective. A flash of lightning with a clap of thunder that strike at something. Thunderbolt. And this is what? Noun. Brave, courageous, gallant. This is adjective. Next is question number 2. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. What is Paramvir Chakra? Answer to this question is Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or outstanding act of valor and self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. Next question: what is seen on the observe and reverse on the PVC medal? On the observe, the PVC has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by four replicas of Indra Varja. On the reverse, the words Paramvir Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with two lotus flowers in between. Who designed the PVC medal? The PVC medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar, a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. What makes Indravarja an invisible weapon? The supreme sacrifice of the sad Dhatichi makes Indravarja invisible. Answer the following question in 6 to 7 sentences. Describe the Paramvir Chakra medal. Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or outstanding act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. This answer I have written incomplete. See, answer to the question, that second one. What is seen on the observe and reserve on the PVC medal? So, describe the Paramvir Chakra medal. In this you have to add. On the observe, the PVC has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by four replicas of Indravarja. On the reverse, the words Paramvir Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with two lotus flower in between. So first answer and second answer, this both answer you have to write in the question. Describe the Paramveer Chakra medal. Next is describe the qualities displayed by Flying Officer Shakon. Flying Officer Shakon displayed great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. He also showed unmatched heroism above and beyond the call of duty. And the last question is fill in the blank with appropriate article. Indra Thunderbolt is supposed to be a matchless weapon. A is underlined here. The Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor. The and A both are article, we have underlined it. Savitri Khanolkar was an European lady and this is a article, an article. I recently bought an umbrella and so this is what an article. So this you have to write in your notebook and workbook and submit your homework on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Have a good day.